In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to print in Google Docs with comments. This is a fantastic skill to have, especially when you're working on collaborative documents and need a physical copy that includes all the insightful comments made by your team. So let's dive right in and make this task as easy as pie. First things first, you'll need to get to your Google Drive. Now, I know you probably know your way around Google Drive, but let's make sure we're all on the same page. Start by signing into your Google account. You'll type in your email, followed by your password, and then click Next. It's the digital equivalent of getting your keys out to open the door to all your important documents. Once you're in Google Drive, navigate to the specific document you're looking to print. Click on the document to open it up in Google Docs. It's just like picking a book off the shelf that you're eager to read, only in this case, you're looking to print. With your document open, go directly to the File menu. It's like telling the chef in the kitchen exactly what you want. In the drop-down menu that appears, you're going to look for the Download option. Think of this as preparing your document for a little trip outside the digital world. The next step involves a small twist, but I promise it's worth it. Instead of saving your document as a PDF, you're going to select Microsoft Word Docs from the list of options. You might wonder why the detour through Word. Well, this step ensures that all the comments attached to your Google Doc get saved along with your document. It's like making sure all passengers are aboard before the flight. After you click the Microsoft Word option, your document will start downloading automatically. Once the download is complete, locate the file, usually in your Downloads folder, and open it in Microsoft Word. It's almost like unwrapping a gift, the anticipation building up to the reveal. Now here's where the magic happens. With your document open in Word, all the comments right there alongside it, go ahead and select File, then Print. It's the home stretch. Choose your desired printer and settings. Once you hit Print, your document, along with all those precious comments, will start materializing on paper. It's quite the rewarding moment. And there you have it. You've just printed your Google Doc with comments included. This could be an excellent way for teachers to print assignments with feedback, for teams to review project notes, or simply for keeping a physical record of all the discussions and decisions made on a document. Remember, technology is here to make our lives easier. With a few simple steps, what used to require cumbersome workarounds can now be achieved smoothly. I hope this guide helps you in your endeavours, and I can't wait to see what you create and collaborate on next. Happy printing, and until next time, keep exploring what tech can do for you.